Yeah, g'day team, Scotty Hillier here. Just enjoying a bit of a walk on my local beach on the sunny coast. A little bit overcast, but I am dodging the showers. Oh, what can I tell you? What have I been up to? I tell you what I am happy about. A big smile on my face. We just come back from a week filming up in Cairns in Far North Queensland, and we fished Lake Tinaroo. So there might be a few of you out there that have been up to Far North Queensland and been to Tinaroo, home of the one of the homes to some of the biggest barramundi anywhere in the stocked impoundments. Also home to one of the toughest fisheries ever, but I'm happy to say I got a metre 3 barra and I got a 94 centimetre barra, so that was good fun. Also headed offshore out of Port Douglas, got a couple of nice nanny guy, we got some cobia, so had plenty of fun. And now back here home, and looking forward to Chrissy, and it's just around the corner. So I just wanted to shout out, team, if you are planning a trip, whether you're going to be towing a van, driving an RV, going in a vehicle, don't leave your maintenance till the last minute, because what you want to do when you head away is have peace of mind. So you might be looking at new tyres, new brakes, or getting them checked, upgrading your aircon in your van, putting lithium batteries in. You need to bring Toddy and the team and just check that all out and get it done before you go. Sounds pretty simple, isn't it? Jump onto the website or give them a call. I'm sure they'll be able to help you out. Have a good couple of weeks. I will catch up with you again very soon. See ya.